Okay, a Convex 360 bird view camera. Okay, 2D dark view version setting. You have to press on the remote control menu, connect with your the sensor. So this is 2D dark view setup. Go to setup. Okay, set date. Emergency lamp. It's been a double signal. Okay, turn light function. You can select all open or close. This function, when you switch your left hand side signal, the display will switch to the left camera view. Right hand side signal, right camera view. So you can turn on and off. Okay, back view rulers line. Confirm. Okay, for the 360 camera adjust, choose for the panorama. Okay. It's got a 3 different close, so you have to choose too big, too small, close 4.4 meter. Okay, down, continue. Okay, front camera view, rear camera view, left and right camera view. Okay, you have to check your car size. First, you can try for the automatic join. So it will automatic front view calculating, front, back, left and right calculating. Okay, when show out this one, you have to move your point. You should see the green color. So you have to move. This is a zoom up, pop up small screen. You have to move the green color to the black color point. So okay, press OK. Move up, left, press OK. Move up, right, press OK. So, and press back. So this is point number 5, 6, 7, 8. All OK, press back. Point number 9, 10, 11, 12. All OK, press back. So back view camera success. So now it's calculating for the left view calculate. Okay, same again. You have to do the adjust point. So for the point number 1, you have to move down, move left to the black color point. Okay, point number 2. Point number 3. The green color show is for the selected point. You have to move it. Point number 3. Point number 4. Okay, then back. Okay, point number 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, back. Point number 9.